Yes. So this is copper, and all this is galvanized. This looks brass here. But getting these galvanized pieces apart probably isn't going to work. What I'm going to have to do is take an angle grinder, cut through this. This will come off. And then I got to try to unscrew this elbow, galvanized elbow, from this piece of copper. So I'm going to try some penetrating oil. WD-40, what is this? Penetrant Fast Acting. This stuff has surprised me in the past that it actually does work. Put that on there. Worst comes to worst, I gotta cut this off and re-sweat another fitting on there. And this one here. There we go. Oh yeah. Alrighty. That wasn't too bad at all. Now I use this for leverage. I don't need it anymore, so angle grinder zip cut through this piece of galvanized and this should come right off. Here's an example of why you want to remove your galvanized pipe. Holy cow, look at all that nastiness in there. You won't see that on the inside of the copper. Well, you'll see some stuff, but you won't see all that. Nasty. Today's video is brought to you by Strapino. Strapino is the latest innovation to a ratchet strap. Pretty impressed by this product. I've already got to put it to use. It is a retractable, heavy-duty ratchet strap. Look at that. Goes in and out. I've got lots of ratchet straps. I'm sure you have lots of ratchet straps. And I keep mine in a rat's nest in this cubby inside the bed of my pickup truck. So the innovative design to this is it has this little gadget right here that makes it retractable. It's easier to clip it on one side of your trailer, pull it all the way over to the other side, clip it on, and not have this side fall off. These S-hooks have clips on them. That's also really good when you have a loop to hook them to so they don't come falling off when you're hitching up the next side. As far as how it operates, it's pretty standard as far as ratchet straps go. Works just like your traditional ratchet strap. Come in two sizes, 1.5 inch, which I have here in black, and 2 inch, which is in orange. They're 12 feet long. There's a brake strength of 4,850 pounds for the black one and 5,000 pounds brake strength, brake load for the orange one. So the working loads are 1,617 pounds for the black and 1,667 pounds for the orange. There'll be a link in the top of the description where you can get your own set of Strapino ratchet straps. Check both sides. Probably should just get this piece out right now. Up and out. Let's see. I'm gonna do this. I kind of want it like this. Okay, that's crimped, that's crimped. In, and up. All right, let's put this one on. So everything in this closet is done. All I gotta do is turn the water on once everything's connected up. This here is gonna confuse some people. Once I demo more of the ceiling and the walls, I can access the rest of this pipe. For right now, shark bite. Later on, I'll just pull this shark bite off, put a T in, and continue the PEX over. I just don't have access to the other end, and I gotta get the water on. Well, there we go, all the way through the ceiling. We'll come back and anchor everything. Whew, lightheaded. So this is becoming obsolete. This is what I need to tap into. So here's how you take shark bites apart. Well, normally it is. Here it is. Ooh. Water. Oh, stay up there. Let's just get all this crap out of the way. Let's go. Let's try this one. All right, where are you coming from? There can't be that much water in here. This section here is going to get tidied up once this wall gets finished. This piece, whoa, let's just snap it right there. Bam! So I am still using a few little shark bite connections that once I frame down the ceiling for the supply and return lines, that'll all get replaced because this whole section of CPVC's got to be replaced. I'm just getting the water back on. So you got to deburr everything before you put it into the shark bite. And there you go. Okay, I've checked and double checked all my connections. I just have it cracked open. So I'm assuming like a toilet might be filling up. The water heater is definitely filling up, so I'm going to open it up a little more. Go check for leaks. And just basically that's what I'm doing. Especially these threaded connections here. Just check those for leaks, and we'll eventually come up to pressure here in a little bit. And here the water heater is now filling up. No electricity. I'm not even going to really, well, I'm going to actually get started while this is filling up. You do not want to put electricity to this unless it's completely full. Fully full and air bled out before you turn the breaker on. Okay, we're under full flow here. Just still checking for leaks. Of course, this area got completely soaked when I was removing the old pipes. So this little bit of water down here is not dripping from there. Woo-wee! Just bleeding all the air out of the water heater. All the air. That's quite a bit of air pressure. Looks like all my joints are holding tight. I would know by now if I forgot to crimp one. So I've got this piece of CPVC connected to this old water heater connector. And I don't know if it'll crack. So it always cracks when you don't want it to crack. Ready? Ooh. It did take a little bit of Handyman He-Man force, but that's what I mean about CPVC being a little fragile. Do you have this stuff inside your house? Whew. Better get it out. Get it out quick before it floods. Some weird glue also that they used here back in the day. I looked for a date code on it. I'm assuming sometime in the 70s, the last homeowner installed this into his basement, thinking it was better than the galvanized pipe. Probably was a lot better than the galvanized pipe. Just that one section had a whole bunch of rust in it. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, I think. Hope everybody has a good Thanksgiving. I'll be doing a live stream this coming Sunday, the 26th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Be about 1 hour long. Of course, I've said that in the past. It is a sponsored live stream, but I get to say whatever I want. It's going to be talking about batteries, big old power inverters, charge controllers, solar panels, things like that. Most of my experience is around installing it into an RV and using it into a recreational vehicle. We'll save the discussion for that live stream. Of course, you're welcome to ask any other questions you want on that live stream this Sunday, November 26th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.